Hello, welcome to Uplay Digital Marketing Classes. Today I am going to explain you a very important application that is actually having for the digital marketers. Basically, because digital marketers require so many kind of the posters, so many kind of the and for that they depend actually the graphic designer. Here one thing is important that due to this dependency so many times their work get hampered or maybe get too much late. So we have find some important applications with the help of those. A digital marketers means a person who has no any knowledge of Photoshop, Corel Draw, and other designing tool can design a wonderful graphics for the various purpose. Let me show what is the Canva and how it. This is the basic interface of Canva. This says that if you want to make a poster, then you can make from here. You want to make flyers. I hope you remember flyers is actually the offline activities that basically work for the local business promotion. Like if you are hiring the taxi or restaurant, or plumber or electrician, mobile repair, barber shop, restaurant kind, pet clinic, dental clinic. So people what do? They printed the flyers and uh, distribute in the local area. And the designing cost of these flyers gone much high. If you go to a professional designer, then and so many time you want to create some infographics to explain a chronological, logical story of a particular event or any organization or any service or any product. Then for the infographics, you also need a good designer who can implement your thoughts in pictorial representation. So many presentation like you see it's happened in the PowerPoint presentation and some other kind of the presentation. So many time as a creative person, you want your resume should look like very creative. So they have given a very long list. You can design logo, newsletter, Instagram post, so many things. Even brochure, desktop wallpaper, greeting card, whatever you want to design with the help of graphic designer, you can design by yourself. And for personal use, this is really free. But if you want to collaborate for any organization, then you can buy its its paid version that is here actually. They have 10 days free trial for everyone. And if you go, this is the yearly cost. It means you get the license to design very well. But for personal use or as a uh, part of an organization, you can do much better in the free version of this. So let me start with one by one. There are so many templates: Instagram story, Instagram post, uh, invitation, business card. So I just simply give you an idea that what is the dashboard from where you can design, and from there you can design multiple kind of. So uh, do I explain how to create the account? It's really very easy. Creation of account. Let me go outside. Here you have three options. You can log in with Google. You can log in with Facebook. You can log in with your Apple ID, or you can create your own account and then log in with the. So as of now, I am logging with the Google. So here is the place from where you can go. What do you want to design? Simply you start with the poster. Click on this, and now you are at this position. Here you have an option to upload your image, your video, your audio, whatever you want to upload here. You can add photos that can become in the background. You can add the elements, arrow, lines, circle. You can add the text. You can add audio also, that is free. You can add video, that is given here, and even you can add the backgrounds, and you can also have this kind of the pictorial. And here is the folder that you can create to place your detail. Now let's start with one by one. So this is the missing dog. This is another water, and so many things you have. Or you can upload from here. Let me trace it. So let's go with the template. Suppose this is uh, my template that I am using. Here is the image. I can remove it. I can remove this also. I came here and I cut this dog and then remove it. I can come to this, and instead of this I place the dog, and I can add it here. I want to change it. I want to change it. I can change it. Anything is here, I can change it. So this is really very easy, and I can remove dog from here also. If I do this, then this background will be displayed. If I do this. Now I want to add some more photos, like we can take from here. Suppose I want to add this, and now this is showing. I can do a lot of things. Now this is the transparency. You can change it. It's totally depend up to you. You can crop it fully horizontal, fully vertical. You can crop it, cancel, adjust brightness. You can see. You can see the color is changing. You can make it blur. You can make it bright. You can change its brightness. You can move contrast, saturation, whatever you want. You can do. You can add effects also, but these all you need to do once you purchase the. You can decide it. You can take the free trial for this. No need to worry. Now here it is the background. You can add if required. All background is changed. You can add this. You can add this one also. This looks better. You can add whichever you want. You can add Facebook. You can means you can connect. You can place icon here and you can connect it, so that when someone is click on this, they can navigate. Now the poster is about to. So what we do, we change its background. There are so many kind of the backgrounds. You can see the color is changing. You can make it red also, and you can make red, and then come to this. You can make it. So these all the things you can change. If you want a different background, then click on anyone and background will be that. It would be better morning. Now you want to add some elements. This all the elements you can add here. You can resize it and bring it here. This is doing its work, and this is appear and disappear. Even you can add the graphics, you can add a lot of things that is available here. On whatever element you will click, that will be come to here. Now this is the text part. You can add this in the top, that will glue actually. Anywhere you can add it. As of now, removing. So now it's done. What I am doing, I am saving it. I am You can use from here also and download. Simply you can, they are not working actually. So you download it. It is about to download. And you can directly print from here also. Now it is done. And how it will look? It will look like this. It's amazing. You can make it more wonderful. So this is your done. You can use it anywhere. Now let's move for one more. Even you can add more page, one, two, three, whichever. If you have long listing, then you can do this also. So removing it. Now come to here again and create new design. Now we created poster, create video. This is the time to create video. So what we have, these are the templates. For the creation of video, we added it. Now this is a video and this is a 5 second. So what you can do more with this, you can add this. This is of 5 second, and here you can add more videos like this. You can make it like, and here you find that time duration is changed. So if you run it, first it come to 10 second. Now this change. Now this is from in this you can, this is your 30 seconds, so you can add the audio also. You can find the audio with this duration and place it here. So go to the free, apply filter, and you can take anyone, because after a few seconds it will be set. So this is done with it. Now if I run it, then it will be with sound, and really after 30 seconds this will be disappear. So what you can do, you can, if you download this video, they ask you high quality, even you can download it in the GIF file. All pages, one or two, play and then download. So for this, we have to purchase it. So let me do this. So once your video created, you can download, you can add image. Now, one more thing that I want to explain you that how to add logo and text in your video. That is really very important. Interesting thing is that suppose this video having their own sound. I play it, it has its own sound. Definitely, if your video having your own sound, then what you do, you go to here and make it 0. As you make it 0, its original sound will be silent, and then you add a new sound from here, and you can hear. So this is the philosophy. Now, what I can add it, I can add text in this. I click heading here, the ray of hope. I can place it. It is totally transparent. I can add this in the top and then we can change it by live. Now the live will blink on the top. What more I can do? I can add photos if required. I can add whatever I want to add here. I can change the background also. Now it's look like this. And if I run it, then it will be. So a complete video disappear. And if I want to remove this background, then I simply come to here again and go to my previous video and click on this. This is here now, and all the things will be same. This is again here. Now if I its background is black, now color is also black, so I can change text color from here. Whatever the color I want, I can use from here. So this is really a amazing tool. Even I can make it this. I can make its size little bit small. I can change the font style. Means a ultimate thing that I only do with the help of Photoshop. I can do with here, and each and everything is plug and play. So there is really very interesting. And if I run it, then it runs very easily. You can see ray of the hope is coming. So this is a platform where we can utilize all the drag and drop feature and create whatever we want. Suppose you want to create the post for Instagram that is required too many times. And if you want to download this, you simply come to here and you have two options. You can download it. It will take a few minutes or few seconds to download. It's depend on your internet speed. So this is about to download in a GIF format within a fraction of seconds. So now it's downloaded and I'm showing you that how it will look like. This will look like video is completed because we downloaded it in GIF file, so no sound, but it looks fine and you can post anywhere. Now, the one done, I explain you that how to create the poster. I explain you that how to create video. Now, this is the time that I explain you that how to create video by merging more than one video. Let me show you this. Again, remove it and remove this also. Suppose this is the video of 10 second. I edit it here. Now here you see this is the 10 second. I added one 6 second video. Now this is the second video I added here. So let me explain. So in the bottom you can add as much as video you want. Suppose this is a 7 second. So now this is done. What you do, you can add it, can make it complete. This first one is having the ray of hope. You can go to the second, and in this you can add another text. uh, my life, my way, and you can see that here so many kinds of the text you can make it. Now it's done, and even you can add the effects also. You can see, can make it like in this way. So there are so many things that you can do, and even this is the criteria of curve. You can do upside, below side. These all the activities you can do. You can plug and play. It's very amazing. Now go to the third one and make it here and here also. You can give it glow on the top with this. It's live. Now all is done. So if I run, it is of the 23 second. So this is run like this. As of now, no sound is here. So what we do, we can add the sound. We add the audio. This is 23 seconds. So we add sound of this. This is it's very fine. Yeah, reduce that. So you can see whatever you want to make with the help of this. You can make with the help of this. And ultimate thing is, so once again I repeat that you come here and take video from here. If you place it, then it will replace. So do not place here, remove it. You come to here, this place, and then take it. And this is now here. This is the time to add the music. So you can add the music from here. This whole duration is around 25 seconds. So now if I want to run it, I can simply click on this. Then this 125-second video will look like this, each and every, and we can download from here. That's really very easy process that we download here, and they ask me, so it will take a few seconds or few minutes to download here. Now, so I hope that it's very easy for you to create the graphics from here. It is very easy to create the video from here, add the music, and even you can add the logo also. You can flip horizontal like this, flip vertical. You can do anything. You can animate it. like rice, like block. So whatever the things you want to do, you can do from here. Means whatever the activity people do with the help of various other tools, you can simply do it from here. Now, if you want to place this, then simply come to this and place it in the top here. You can place it. So this will rotate all over the time. If you want here also, then you can put it on the top and keep it here. This will rotate to attract the eyes of a visitor and looks very amazing. So I think it is fine for you to understand how to create the creatives and video. These two things are really very important. Rest of the thing is depend on you because this tool is available for you, and as much as you will use it, you will get the benefits. Let me show you one more thing. If you want to create infographics, then come to here and choose any of the template like this. If you choose this one, then you can see each and everything is make its size little bit more. Now this is the way you can edit this, in edit this. You can edit this, this. If you want to replace it, then simply you can add photo from here and give this one instead of this. You can simply, it is drag and drop, remove it and add it here. Now, what an easy. So each and every point is open for you. You can add, replace, whatever you want, you can do it. Even you can do this also. Remove everything. You can want bullet points in this, you can add it. You want this kind of the wording, this, remove bullet points, remove one, two, three. You can do now. You can do this. Whatever you want, you can do. So let bring it here and bring it here so that it look like the previous. So creation of infographics is such a ultimate thing. So let me delete this or come to next one. If you want this kind of the infographics, being a blood donor, if you want to explain you that you can explain this way. You can write about a particular person that he is the person about him you want to then you can say from this year he do this, from this year who do this. Now each and every point you can change it. So this is for Galileo. Instead of Galileo, you can put your own name, you can put your image, you can change it, you can change this. So creation of infographics such a wonderful things if you are doing with the help of Canva. So let me bring it out again to explain you. My first question was what is Canva? So let me explain you. It is an application that made creativity easy. You can make poster. You can most of the time you need to create the social media post, and maybe you need to create infographics. You need to add a video or the collection of images with some sound, logo, title, subtitle that you can do very easily. And if you assign this task to any professional person, so first you have to explain your views that what you exactly want, and then that person will start creation. But if you himself or herself do this work, then your creativity will get a wings, because you are understanding what you want and you are doing what you actually want. So this is really very easy for you to understand. Now, how to use Canva? Simply to create the account and select what you want to make, review and finally download and use. Such a wonderful and such a easy way to create the creativity. So I hope you fully understand that how to utilize the Canva. And if you have any doubt, any query, then you can contact us. Have a great day. Thank you.